Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you calm your mind and ease any anxiety that may be building up inside you. Anxiety is much like a boulder rolling down the hill. Once it gets momentum, the more power it has, the more out of control it becomes. But no matter how much power your anxiety may seem to have, you are always more powerful. So let's sit with stillness, stop the momentum, and sink into that power. I'm so glad you're here. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carolyn, spiritual mentor, and this channel is all about helping you still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, dear one, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm, confident, peaceful, and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond if or when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday. There is no tomorrow. There is only right now. And in the quiet stillness of right now, they stay forever connected to their wild and true nature. And so they invite us to do the same. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now as you get yourself comfortable. And then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Take a deep, cleansing breath in and a soft, relaxing breath out. Invite your body to fully arrive in this moment. Stay with your breath as you inhale, and stay with your breath as you exhale. Let it be your guide, inviting you ever so gently to arrive here more and more. To relax here more and more. To soften here. To feel safe here. More with each inhale, and even more with each exhale. Softly, slowly, sink into the safety and the stability of this present moment. It's not going anywhere. It remains here for you. No judgment. Take your time. This is your time. As you let your body feel even more anchored in the here and now, let your breath flow even more gently on the waves of your inhale and exhale. Each inhale cascading softly into the exhale. Each exhale rising smoothly back up into the inhale. Flowing one into the other, back into the other, back into the other. No end, no beginning, just you and your breath and this moment. Let your body rest. Let your breath move. Let your body relax. Let your breath flow. Let time slow down as the stillness of your body meets the rhythm of your breath. Your body, like a body of water that never goes anywhere, yet always shifts and changes. Let your body be the vessel that holds the space for the movement, for the current of life. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the floor as you begin to feel the rising and falling of your chest. Inhaling with the sound of the air through your nose and exhaling with the sound of the air out of your mouth. Inhale the soft sound through your nose. Exhale the soft sound through your mouth. You are not making sound with effort. sound is just happening. Listen to the sound that makes itself, similar to the sound of the waves rolling onto the shore and then retreating back into the ocean. Inhale, the wave retreats. Exhale, the wave returns to the shore. As you inhale, feel that wave moving from your feet up to your head. And as you exhale, feel that wave rolling from your head back down towards your feet. Rolling back and forth, forward and back. Feel the rhythm. Feel your body going nowhere and your breath always going, moving, yet always staying with you. Moving through you, yet never away from you. Reaching out, yet always returning back. A sea of questions seeking answers on the shore that returns back to find the answers within it. We look for answers out there, but here in the present moment is where all answers are found. Where am I going? I am here. What will I do? I will be here. What if this happens? Only now is happening. Why is this happening? Because it is. It is happening. Who will save me? Only this moment will set you free. The sea of frenetic roaring questions becomes a sea of calm, quiet answers. No question can exist without the answer, because the answer can only ever be right here in this present moment. The answer to what and where and when and why is always right here. As you inhale, no matter the fear or doubt that may come with your questions, relax as you exhale, knowing that the answer is always here, is always this present moment, is always, quite simply, now. Stay with the relaxing rhythm of your breath. Stay with the constant companion of your breath. Find all of your answers by staying present to where you find yourself, which is right here and now. Continue breathing on your own and continue to release any weight that lingers. There is nothing to hold on to. You have everything you need right now. Let go and let be. Take all the time you need. And then whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you relax and release the weight of your worries and fears and the anxiety that comes from a mind spinning out of control. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you. It really does mean so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini course, Master Your Energy. And as always, if you received any benefit from this meditation, please do show it some love by clicking like and subscribe, as this really helps me create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.